How to upload high quality videos on TikTok. It's very simple. Tap on the plus icon to upload or record a video here. Either you can just record it with any filter that you want. For an example, I'm showing you here. Either you can do that, or at the side you will find a upload button. Just go ahead and tap on it. Here I'm recording one random video here and just tap on next. And the second thing also I'm showing, this is a video from my gallery, and at the side you will see enhance option. Make sure to turn it on and just tap on next. Here you can add any description that you want. I'm skipping this part and tap more options. At the bottom you will find an option allow high quality uploads. Just toggle it on, and once you are done with it, just tap on post. Now it's gonna take a while for it to be uploaded, and once it is uploaded, it's gonna be in best quality possible. So that's how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.